Hi, I just want to show you how to install the grid view in Google Classroom. It's really easy. You follow the link, which I have here at the top of my screen, and then click Add to Chrome. You click the Add Extension button in the window that pops up, and it's been added. So when you're in a Google Meet, you will see in the top left corner or top right corner, you'll see a little mini taskbar, and that will allow you have to click on that each time that you're in a meeting in order to see Google Meet. If you hover over it, it'll let you hit a checkbox so you can see your own image in there too. I like to do that sometimes just so I can see if my background's too light or too dark or whatever, so you can kind of see what other people are seeing. Let's see. I don't know if you can hear me now or not. I'm just messing around with this. There's a little vertical red line on my speaker. So I don't know if this is working. Maybe. No idea if you can see me or not, but I guess we'll find out here in a minute. How do I make that go away? How do I tell it when I'm done?